Microorganisms have always helped us thrive. We use yeast to bake bread or brew beer. And we make cheese by letting bacteria do their thing. At Greenspeed, we put life under a microscope, and we know probiotics make cleaning products stronger and longer lasting. Here's how it works. Probiotics are microorganisms, and filth is their favorite food. By eating their way through dirt and grease, they leave no room for less pleasant organisms that like to make a stink. As long as there's food, our microorganisms keep cleaning. And when they get rinsed away, the probiotics don't pollute. Instead, they continue to have a beneficial effect on our aquatic life. Because caring for nature is our second nature, we ensure that our responsibly produced products are completely safe to use for any environment, be it work, leisure, or public buildings. Contact us to put the green in your clean.